Okay guys, some silver here. Teknetics EuroTek Pro, ploughed field. Major development going on there. Bypass. They're building a bypass, a road basically. Building a main road. I'm out here with the EuroTek Pro. Oh yes, half crown. 500 silver. George the 6th. Oh yes. 1942. Beautiful. Okay. Look at that. Stunning condition. Nice bit of silver. No hammered or anything here, but carry on. But that's made my day. Made the evening, should I say. Lovely George the 6th, half crown. Brilliant. Okay. Here come some macro images. Just another find. Think that might be a tortoiseshell penknife. Nice penknife. Yeah. Happy with that. Okay, found a nice musket ball. As soon as it must be a certain time comes, over there, I mean, 1 minute they're all bustling and everything. Diggers driving up and down things, and the next minute just silence, all gone home. Must go home at the exact minute. But yeah, getting quite late now. Okay guys, I'm out here Saturday. This field we found half crown on the same video earlier on this video. And just found a lovely silver coin, and it's my oldest silver coin. And I've always been wanting to find one of these. Take a look at that. Woohoo! 4 pence. 1845, I think. That's the year the Great Irish Famine started. That would have been probably a loss. Obviously people couldn't even afford potatoes. Yeah. Lovely coin. Young in Victoria. It's like the fine glass I'm having to use because this camera won't focus. But yeah. Man, all the people looking at me, what the hell am I doing? But yeah. Lovely coin, just right now, that's how good that was. Not sure if you're seeing this. Just get into the light. There you go, I can't see the camera myself. Anyway, I'll take some macro images, but that's a lovely coin. I was only looking at these on the internet last night. Yeah. Almost always find a bit of silver now when I'm out. Happy days. Shadows are kind of blocking it. I know, nice coin. Okay. See if I get anything else worth mentioning. I only really record the great finds now. Have to keep quiet, kinda. About what I find. But yeah. Oh yes, and another find I've had is this Irish cupronickel shilling, 1964. Not that good of a coin. Well, it's a nice coin. Wish it was silver though. But yeah, I've got a nice silver in the bag now. Okay. Some hammered, please. I found quite a few of these. Pond's Cream. Okay guys, I see a bit of silver here. Last find of the day, I'd say. double silver today, woohoo. First time I ever got 2 silvers in a day actually. 6 pence I can see. Just get out my magnifier. And we shall see. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh yes, Victoria. 2 Victorian silvers today. Sterling silver. What year were you? It is 1864. 1864, 6 pence. Beautiful condition, as they always, nearly always are. King Ed Victoria. Oh, she's upside down. Okay. So yeah, proven to be a good field. If I don't see you again today, I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Bye for now. Okay, last find of the day. If I don't get anything up to the gate, I'm going home. It's just a copper halfpenny. I think it's an old head Victoria. I'm going home now. I've been here about 3 hours. Okay, it's me done for today. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hello everybody. See you at the next. Welcome to the roundup. So these are from this video, not all the one day of course. These are about the best bits from that ploughed field. No hammer coins or anything. Well, there'd be an extreme rarity in my part of the country, and I'd probably have to hand them up even if I did find one, but no worries. I had a good few days anyway. Didn't bother recording some of this stuff. I only recorded some of the very good stuff, but 3 horse buckles here. Didn't record any of these, I don't think. That's what's called Conway buckle. See the dip there? Quite nice. Pond's cream jar. These aren't in order, like these are just scattered finds from the few days I was there. A musket ball. Little dip there in it. Nice. We had a tortoise shell pen knife. I think it's tortoise shell. Certainly looks it. Didn't clean that up yet. Hence why it's making such a mess. We had an old head Victoria. Nothing much on that. These are about the best coins. Look at the state of them ones. Probably George. That's only Victoria, that one. And look at the state of it, man. That's Georgian, I'd say. But yeah, a 5p, 1969 decimal. This was quite nice. Wish it was silver, but never mind. Shilling, Irish shilling. From 1964. Okay. Nice coin, even if it's not silver. Nice condition. And the 3 silvers. This was found on the first day I was out. A George the 6th, 1942 half crown, and it's 50% silver, not full silver, but it's my second half crown ever. Second silver half crown ever. Just turn it over. Nice condition. And if you see where it says Fid Def Ind Imp, the Ind Imp part was removed after, I think, the 1950 something, I think 1940 something, because India gained independence, and that means something like Emperor of India or something. so coins were only left with fid def on them after 1950 something, was it? Well, that's an interesting fact. But yeah, lovely. Silver 1942 half crown. Next, a silver Victoria 1864 sixpence. Actually, I'll move on to this first because I found this one first. 4pence 1845. That's the other Great Irish Famine started. If it's an interesting find in my area, considering the year of it. Just turn it over. $18.45. Okay, nice coin. And then the last silver, my latest silver, Victoria 1864 sixpence, sterling silver, as is that one. Just turn it over. 6pence, 1864. What's the die number? Hold on, 21. Die number just right there, over the date. You can't see it. Yeah. So yeah, 2 silvers in a day, and that one was found the day before. So yeah, quite a nice few days in that field so far. Hopefully many more. He'll be letting cattle into it soon, so I have to finish it pretty soon. So yeah, and did I show you that the Pond's cream jar? I actually found quite a few of them on my outings. For what reason I don't know. But yeah, nice round up there. Nice few silvers to show. 3 silvers in I think 3 days. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.